Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add a hyperlink in a Thunderbird email. This is a great way to share website links, documents, or resources with your recipients in a clean, professional manner. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll want to open your Thunderbird application. Once it loads up, you'll be greeted by your main inbox interface. From here, look toward the top of the screen where you'll find the option to write a new message. Go ahead and click on that button. This will open up a fresh composition window where you can start crafting your email. Now that you're in the composition window, it's time to input your message. Type out whatever content you'd like to send, whether it's a quick note, a detailed explanation, or anything in between. The key here is to make sure you've written the text that you want to turn into a clickable hyperlink. This could be something like click here, visit our website, or even just the name of a resource you're sharing. Once you've typed your message, the next step is to highlight the text where you want to add the hyperlink. Simply click and drag your cursor over the specific words or phrase that should become clickable. This selection tells Thunderbird exactly which part of your text will serve as the link. Make sure you've selected only the text you want, as this will determine what your recipient sees and clicks on. With your text highlighted, direct your attention to the top menu bar of the composition window. Here you'll see several options for formatting and inserting elements. Click on Insert. This will reveal a drop-down menu with various options for adding different components to your email. Among these options, you'll find one labeled Link. Go ahead and click on Link to proceed. A dialog box will now appear on your screen. This is where you'll input the URL you want to attach to your highlighted text. In the field provided, type or paste the complete web address. Make sure the URL is accurate and includes the full path, such as http://www.example.com. Once you've entered the URL, take a quick moment to double-check that everything looks correct. When you're satisfied, click OK. This action finalizes the hyperlink and embeds it into your selected text. And that's it. You've successfully added a hyperlink to your Thunderbird email. Your recipients will now be able to click on the text you highlighted and be directed straight to the URL you specified. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.